Okay, we're back with the fitting of the screws, and we went ahead and customized a screw from Attachments International, and this is one of the screws. We have two of them that'll be going in. When you get them, they're almost, I think they're almost 21 inches, or it's going to be 21 millimeters in length, and it's the IMZ 4.0 conversion screw. So all these conversion screws come with you need a hex driver. So we have our hex driver ready to go. Looks like this. This is actually a hex driver from a Camilog company, so that'll work fine for tightening down. We're going to tighten it to 25 Newton centimeters now, so we know that. But we're not going to do that yet. We're just going to do hand tightening right now. So here is the bridge. Here is one screw that's going to go in. I'll put that in on the distal aspect, and that's how far it drops down. And we'll do that one first, just hand tightening, and then of course we have the other screw, which is made for the IME case, and we do want an IMC. So Attachments International wants us to cut these and make them fit. So we're going to just use this for try-in purposes. So we'll go ahead with that. There's the second screw, and now we can go ahead and find out if these guys bottom out nicely for us, because if not, then we have to trim them and make them even shorter so that they fit inside the IMCs. So back in the mouth, and Ron, I'm going to tip you back a little bit here and get you into focal length. Right. Okay. Again, this is just trying in, checking the fit. And we got two screws that are inside. We're going to dry off our IMCs. We've already hand tightened them to 5 degrees by the clock, so they're in there doing their thing. Now we can line up the screws. Alright. That's verified now from the lingual, pretty close. And then we'll take the driver. Wow. Okay. Ron, go ahead and just close for me. Good. Feels good to your bite? Open, please. Perfect. All right. Good. Alrighty. And we're just tying a little floss right now, so a little pause here. Okay, great. We're coming right back in here. And I'm sorry, Ron, I don't have a smaller wrench to go with. That's the best we have, but you're doing great. We're hand tightening in the first screw. That's hopefully that's gonna find. Not quite engaging. If it is, it's a long thread. I can feel it going in. Yeah. I just pop out of here. Well, no, it's not quite engaging. Let me try the other. Try this again. I want to uncoil that. Let's see if we have to make these longer. Okay, Ron. I gotta do some checking here. Oh yeah. Let's do a double check here on length. Okay. That's engaged. We'll mark that. And this is going to be the amount and plus or minus some. And that's just to the top of the implant. So, and then we have a certain amount. So let's check the length of that. Looks like we're just taking 7 millimeters off the end. I assumed there was going to be a 7 millimeter screw, but this is part of the process. Okay, so that went in significantly to, and we're going to add to that. We're looking at 11 millimeters, and I probably will add another 2 more millimeters to that. So looks like 13 millimeters. These are, they're 19 to the top. There's 17. And if you take 7 away from 20, you got a 13 millimeter screw, and that's exactly what we need. So here's 13, and that's the length. So we're going to take 7 off the bottom. Okay guys, 7 off the bottom, and we'll have the right length. Good thing I ordered an extra screw. Alright, there's the extra one. Okay, so 7 millimeters from the bottom. That's 7. We'll lock that in so we don't miss the value. Okay. That's 7 millimeters. We'll mark it. Alright. That's the height. That's 7. I'm going to check the back one and see how this bottoms out and see if it engages. Okay, screw goes in. No problem threading. No problem at all. Okay. And it's going to be 13 millimeters screw length. And 7 millimeters of trimming off the bottom. It's a 20 millimeter length screw. Verifying 7 again. 7. Okay. There we go. Measure twice, cut once. It's the old saying, right? Alright, Ron. There we go. That's 7. Much of what I'm doing now is just going to get a quick segmental cut, and then we'll polish that and do the same thing to the neck screw. Looks like my diamond is gone. Alright, so we're going to get rid of this diamond. We'll change the diamond out, we'll fix up the 2 screws, we'll come right back and we'll finish up this segment.